Bing, bing, bing. All right, guys, let me show you. Oh my gosh. Guys, this market, normally the Asian session is really, really quiet, which is one of the reasons why I like it. Let me bring this market on the screen so you can literally see it on regular charts. And you can see right here, it's still, here was a support, and you can see that it's still dumping. This market is crashing, crashing, crashing. Oh my goodness. Whoa. So, oh my goodness. This is what it looked like on the futures market. And what we did, we just took advantage of the scalp. We did a quick scalpy dalpy on this thing. And I'm going to take the indicator off so you can see this. So on this one, we took a quick scalp. We was in and out of this trade in like 30 seconds or whatever. That's what we did. Because when the market is dumping real quick, and let me show you guys this as well. I think this has something to do with it. U.S. tariffs on China won't change again from this point forward. So that just came out. In addition to that, I saw that there was some news saying that they are pulling the ambassadors out of whatever country that is that we were negotiating. And once they start pulling ambassadors, sometimes that's a precursor to getting ready for a war. Not saying there is going to be, but that's sometimes what they do. They get their people out first before the things jump off, okay? But this would certainly do it if the market buyers, they were buying up with the hopes that China tariffs would change, right? But seeing that China tariffs ain't going to change, the market is just taking a, that toilet, let's just say that toilet having a hard time. So y'all see this dump off, okay? Here's some others that we took quick scalps on right here. And we took quick scalps right here. And I'm going to show you guys something that I taught them just to help educate you in trading. So what I told them, and this is whether this win or lose, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to do this for demonstrational purposes on my real account. But I'm going to do it with something small, okay? So let's just go to the currency pair, okay? 6N. So what I was showing them for the new people who was in our class tonight, this is their first time to learn how to trade. Okay, so let me see which one I want to show you. Let's just do this one, okay? All right, so I'm just going to do this one. Win or lose, I'm not worried about the win or loss. All right, so watch this. What if do you think this trade is going to go down? I told them that when you're a professional scalper in the futures market, you need to move very, very quickly. We made our money in seconds, guys. Literally within seconds, within literal seconds. I marked up some levels and then I said, okay, guys, if it hits this, I'm out. And within seconds, it wasn't even like 30 seconds and it hit the level. So I said, and then I marked up a second level for those who held it longer and hit RTP within about a minute. All right, so here's what you do. So watch this. I'm going to take one trade here, one contract on 6A, okay? And wait. Let's get that. Bing, it turned green. All right. See how fast I just made that money? Right in front of you. What did I do? I did not put in a take profit or a stop loss or a sell limit, okay? All I did was you hit one button and you wait, and you hit the opposite to get out, okay? I hit the sell to get in it because I'm in a sell position to quickly get out within seconds, which I just did the trade in front of you. All I did was hit the buy button the opposite direction. Some of you guys didn't know that, like I didn't know. Nobody shared it with me, and I finally figured that out. So that's a little quick tip for you, okay? Hopefully you learned something. And if you enjoy trading futures but need help, come on to Futrix.com. We'll welcome you into the family. Peace and hair grease. Enjoy your weekend.